Opening shot of a lush forest. Imagine a world where money grows on trees. A place where financial struggles are a thing of the past. A utopia where everyone has access to the resources they need to live a comfortable life. A tree bearing golden coins. The money tree is a symbol of abundance and prosperity. It represents the idea that money should be readily available for everyone, not just a select few. A person plucking coins from the tree and placing them in a bag. With the money tree, gone are the days of struggling to make ends meet. No more worrying about paying bills or affording basic necessities. The money tree provides for all. A community using the money from the tree to build homes and establish a farm. With access to this endless source of wealth, communities can thrive. People can invest in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. They can start businesses and create jobs. The possibilities are endless. A person depositing coins in a bank. With the money tree, we can create a more equal and just society. No longer will the wealthy hoard their riches while the rest of us struggle to get by. We can use this abundance to lift up everyone and create a world where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. The lush forest. The money tree is a symbol of hope and a reminder that a better world is possible. A world where money is not a source of stress and struggle, but a means to create a better life for all. Scene 1. A group of children playing in a park, laughing and having fun. They come across a money tree and start picking the coins from it and putting them in their pockets. Child 1. Wow, we can buy whatever we want now. Child 2. Yeah, let's buy ice cream. With the money tree, children can have access to resources and opportunities that were previously out of reach. They can enjoy the simple pleasures of childhood without worrying about financial struggles. Scene 2. A young couple looking at a house they can't afford. They walk away with their heads down. They come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. Couple, we can finally afford a house. With the money tree, people can achieve the American dream without having to struggle for years to save up for a down payment. The money tree makes homeownership accessible to all. Scene 3. A small business owner struggling to make ends meet. They are about to close their business when they come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. I can finally keep my doors open. Narrator, with the money tree, small business owners can invest in their businesses and create jobs for their community. They can grow and thrive without worrying about financial struggles. Scene 4. A group of college students sitting on a campus lawn, talking about their financial struggles. They come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. Student 1, I can finally afford to stay in school. Student 2, I can finally afford to study abroad. With the money tree, students can access higher education without worrying about the financial burden of student loans. They can invest in their future without the stress of debt. Scene 5. A person with a disability, who is unable to work, sitting in a wheelchair with a worried expression on their face. They come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. Person with disability, I can finally afford my medical expenses. With the money tree, people with disabilities can have access to the resources and support they need to live a comfortable life. They can invest in their health and well-being without worrying about financial struggles. Scene 6. An elderly person, who is living on a fixed income, sitting alone in a small apartment. They come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. Elderly person, I can finally afford to pay my bills. With the money tree, seniors can have access to the resources they need to live a comfortable life in their golden years. They can invest in their health and well-being without worrying about financial struggles. Scene 7. A single mother with 2 children, who is struggling to make ends meet, sitting on a park bench with her children. They come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. Single mother, we can finally afford to buy food. With the money tree, single parents can have access to the resources they need to provide for their children. They can invest in their children's future without worrying about financial struggles. Scene 8. A group of immigrants, who are struggling to make a new life in a foreign country, standing on a street corner. They come across the money tree and start picking the coins from it. Immigrant 1, we can finally afford to start a new life. With the money tree,